How to install Rmagick on Ubuntu 10.04. Here's what I've done so far. This did not throw any errors, so I think that imagemagick is installed fine. Then I tried installing the gem. This resulted in the following error. What do I need to do to install Rmagick on Ubuntu 10.04?
I think you also have to install imagemagick from the Ubuntu archive. This package contains the magic1.h file.
I had a similar problem and came across this post. This URL. After I installed libmagick 9, dev I could install Rmagick gem without problem. Hope this helps.
I did as following step to build from source. Result.
It was what it is. It's lying and stopping.